Okay, so instructions number 1, iterate over the fruits array to log I want to eat a plus the name of each fruit to the console. For example, I want to eat a mango. You may use any form of callback you prefer. Okay, so what we're going to start off with is fruits dot forEach in mind fruits dot forEach. Then we're going to use the singular fruit. And then right after that, what we're going to do, console log and interpolate. Yeah, I want to eat a fruit. So as you can see, I just want to quickly show you. I want to eat a mango, I want to eat a papaya, I want to eat a pineapple, I want to eat a apple. There are different ways there. You could also use the for loop. You could use, there's different ways of doing this. Several ways. I think about 4 different ways, if I'm not mistaken, that I know of. But I'm sure there's more than that. All right, guys, let's move on.